I'm Simon Robinson. I'm a Research Vice President at 451 Research, and I'm responsible for our Voice of the Enterprise research focused on infrastructure. So I look at primarily three areas: how enterprises are adopting technology and their technology plans in storage, in software-defined infrastructure, and in servers and converged infrastructure. Firstly, we're looking at how enterprises are adopting flash technologies, and that's really across all form factors. So in particular around all flash arrays, but also how they're bringing in flash as a tier in their existing SAN and NAS environments, and also how they're utilizing flash in server environments, be that as a standalone server or as part of a hyperconverged infrastructure. The second topic is cloud, and this is a really hot and growing area at the minute. I think we've seen a real change in the last 12 to 18 months in the way that organizations are viewing cloud and the cloud opportunity. They're looking at where it makes sense in their environments, what use cases is it a good fit for, and I think generally they're feeling, starting to feel more confident with moving some data and workloads over to the cloud. So what our research is looking to establish is exactly how fast that transition is happening, what are the drivers, why organizations are choosing one cloud provider or over another, and indeed why might they go for a public cloud versus a private cloud, or actually vice versa. The third area we're focused on within the storage space next year is this whole area of software-defined storage. So really we're looking at how new models are emerging around how we deploy storage within our environments, more software-centric approaches. Now this is an area that's getting quite a lot of hype, and there is certainly a lack of clarity or understanding within the industry about what exactly software-defined is or means. Essentially we view it as levels of abstraction, so being able to abstract software from the underlying hardware, and that seems to be a type of approach that is resonating with some organizations. So what we're really interested in is how they are viewing that opportunity, where they're bringing software-defined approaches into their environments, what use cases make sense there, and which applications, how aggressively indeed they are rolling out these capabilities. Also, where does software-defined storage dovetail with other elements of the software-defined infrastructure? So the software-defined networking, virtualization, and then higher up the stack into the orchestration automation area. So really, the longer term goal here is to have a highly automated infrastructure environment. That is how many organizations are looking to bring the benefits of the public cloud into their own environments. And software defined is absolutely one option for embracing that. So that is the third key area we'll be looking at next year.